In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a paper cutout effect using Canva. This simple and fun technique will add a creative flair to your designs, making them pop out as if they were cut directly from paper layers. Let's go step by step together, so please open Canva on your computer or device. Now that Canva is all set and ready, let's start by creating a new design. You can choose any size that fits your project needs, whether it's a social media post, flyer, or even a presentation. Select the template size that you believe will work best for your cutout effect, and once you have that open, we can move on to the next step. Next, drag the image you want to turn into a paper cutout onto your canvas. You can select any image you feel will be suitable for this effect. This could be a portrait, an object, or a setting. Really, anything that you think would be interesting to layer and pop out on your new design. With your image now on the canvas, go ahead and click on it. Once you do so, you'll see a range of options appear, and from here, you'll want to select the background remover feature. This tool is amazing for isolating your image and gives that clean cutout look we're aiming for. It may take a few moments, but sit tight, and once it's done, you'll have a neat cutout to work with. Now that you have your cutout image, let's add a paper background to enhance that paper cutout effect. You can use any textured paper background that suits your design style. Once your design is complete to this point, save the image as a PNG. Saving it in this format helps retain all the design elements, including any transparent areas. After saving, upload your newly downloaded PNG back into Canva and drag it onto your working page. This step will prepare it for the next phase of editing. Let it sit comfortably on your canvas, and we'll move to the next part. Head over to the Apps section within Canva, and here we'll be searching for an app called Cutout. Once you've found it, open up the app. This tool allows you to creatively outline the section of your image that you wish to maintain, creating that distinctive layered cutout effect. After outlining, click Apply, and your image will transform, following the lines that you've created with Cutout. If everything looks good, we can move on to the last few touches. Adding a background of your choice will further enhance the cutout effect. Try different colors or textured backgrounds until you find something that complements your image beautifully. Finally, once you're satisfied with your creation, click on Share. From the options available, download your design as a PNG to keep all the fun details intact. And there you have it, your very own paper cutout effect ready to be used in your next project. Happy designing!